Hey, it's John here, and in this video we're going to be setting up conversion tracking from Google Ads into ClickBank. Now, what this means is, first off, let me define what is a conversion. Okay, what is a conversion? And I just searched this in Google for a good definition, and it says an action when someone interacts with your ad. For example, clicks a text ad or views a video ad, and then takes an action that's valuable to your business, such as purchasing a product. And what this allows us to do is, from our ads that we're putting up in Google or Facebook or YouTube, we are able to see which ad prompted the person to buy the product. And this will help us make more money because we'll just keep putting more money behind the green, grow the green, cut the red. Grow the stuff that's making us money. And just for another definition here, what is a conversion pixel? Because that's something we're going to be talking about in this. And a conversion pixel is basically, it's a piece of code which sends a message back to Facebook or Google or whatnot when someone takes an action. So the conversion pixel, it's kind of like the beacon. It's the lighthouse. So when you reach it, it goes off and it lets Google or Facebook or YouTube know. Okay. So first off, how do we set it up? So just follow along the steps. If you don't fully understand, don't worry, but follow along the steps. Now we are in Google Ads right here. And so you want to make sure you log into Google Ads and go over to the tools area. Okay. So sometimes the interface is changed, but you want to go over to that tools icon. And we're just going to click there, and then under measurement we're going to click on conversions. Okay, so right here. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to click this green plus button, okay, to create a new conversion action. So then we're going to select website conversion, and we're going to name this one ClickBank Order Form Impression. Okay. And we are going to select category. We're going to say view of a key page. Okay. We're going to not use a value. We're going to set up 2 conversion pixels here. But just follow along. Then we're going to say this is all good. So we'll click continue. We'll click this. And what you want to do at this point is you want to actually open up maybe a little notepad or something and just save this information. Okay. So we have conversion ID. And we have conversion label. So I'm just going to save this information. Okay. Order form impression. We have conversion ID. And we have conversion label. Then we'll click next. Okay, then we click done. Next, what we want to do is we want to click this button again, and we're going to create another conversion. And once again, we're going to select website conversion. And this time we're going to type in ClickBank sale. Okay, see that? We're going to select category, and then we're going to select sale. And then under, we're going to use the same value for each conversion. Okay. And we're just going to type in whatever the amount of the product is. So in this case, $460 per conversion. say 1. Then we'll say create and continue. Oopsies. You can ignore that part. So next we'll want to click the Google Tag Manager, and we will save this information. Okay, so we have conversion ID, and then we have conversion label. Click next, and then we click done. Okay, so that's it for this. We don't have to be in Google anymore. We've set up, as you see, we've set up our we've set up our tags, and that's all we need to do here. Next, we need to go into ClickBank. So I'm in ClickBank right here, and where we want to go to is we want to go to vendor settings right up here, or it might just be a settings tab, and then you want to click on my site. So it should say some information. You want to scroll down to the bottom. What we're looking for is this section right here called Integrated Sales Reporting. Okay, and underneath here, we're going to click Add Tracking Code. This is where we add the tracking code and link everything. So we click Choose, and we click Google AdWords. Then we click Add. Now, this is where we enter in the information that we just got. So the first step is we need to enter in our Google AdWords ID, which was, as you notice, the conversion ID is the same in both instances. So this is our Google AdWords ID. And we're going to copy this, and we're going to paste this right here. Now, the next step is we're going to enter in the page view label. What this means is it's for tracking order form impressions. So we're going to bring this up, and this is for our order form impression. Technically, it's a page view. We're going to copy that, and we're going to paste that into the top section. And then under purchase label, that's for sales, we're going to copy in this conversion label. We're just going to copy. We're going to paste. Okay. Now, the next thing we set it up is track as an affiliate, because you're an affiliate, and you want to select both order form and confirmation page. That's it. Then you just click Save, and we are good to go. And what you can do is you can scroll down, and you'll see you have your tag here, the information you entered. And what you need to do is you need to take this button and activate it so that it's active. So we're going to click play. We're going to scroll down, and what you want to see is that it should be green. It should be a green active, and say Google AdWords, or account ID, affiliate, should be tracking both order form and order confirmation, and those are the labels that we entered. And then you're good to go. So that's it. And I hope this explained to you how to set up a conversion pixel. This makes all of the tracking automatic. What you can do if you want to further verify that things are working is when you start seeing order form impressions or sales coming in through ClickBank, you can also check that to see if they are recording conversions in here. See, recording conversions. That means it's working. But that's it. You set everything up. It's automated now, and your job should be a lot easier. Hope this was helpful. And yeah,